Okay, so let's go ahead and create the model for our job. So right now, if I click on add job, nothing's gonna come because we didn't update most of the stuff. So let's get to the code, and we are in the jobs.html. And what we can do now is we can actually collapse all of this data so that we can see more in detail, like what's going on. So let's collapse all of these details here. Okay, and we have this add employee model. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this to add jobs model. Save that, and let's open that up. And here you can see that we have a ID called add employee. I'm going to change that to add job. Let's save that, and let's get to the browser. If I click on add job, you can see that we have the model pop up, but this model is add employee model. So we're going to change that to add job model. Let's get back to our code, and we're going to change this to add job details, and we'll keep everything as it is, and we'll set the date is fine, and we need the text, and we will change this to job name. Okay, so let's save that, and then we don't need this text field over here, that is the last name field. We don't need this. We don't need the email, we don't need the phone number, we don't need the select field, we just need the submit button. So we'll get rid of all of those details here, and we'll change this to call MD12. Okay, so save that. Let's see how that looks. Click on add job. You can see that we have add job details, and we have the details which we want to add, like the time, the date, and now we want to add the job name. And instead of add employee, we want add job. So let's get to our code, and here we'll call this as add job. Let's save that. That's it. So our add job model is now ready. So if I click on add job, you can see that we have add job details, and we can add in the details here.